Let's continue working on our bugs. Once we have our practices done, we are ready for our final copy. So you're going to pick your favorite bug and you are going to make it large on our small piece of paper. You want to take up the whole space. Don't let it go off the edges though. So I'm going to again look at the bug as I draw it. Remember, this is an observational drawing. So you look at what you are creating. Now that I have my bug fully drawn out, I'm going to get my printmaking foam. Our final copy bug will get taped on to our printmaking foam. Now, don't forget to make sure your name is on the back of your bug paper and your class code that day of the week. Then our final copy paper gets taped right on top of our printmaking foam. Be careful with the foam. We don't want it to bend or break. Now I'm going to use my pencil. It's best if I don't have a pointy point, but more of a dull point. That works best because what I'm going to do is I'm going to press hard and go right on top of every single pencil line. What that does is it is going to press into the foam and it is going to draw our bug onto the foam. I make sure to color in all the spaces that I want that dark, and so I carefully do that. No scribble scrabble coloring, which makes it hard to do at this point because it's hard to see. Now, if your hands start to hurt as you do this, sometimes from grasping that pencil or pen, you need to wiggle your fingers out and give them a little bit of a break. You are going to go over every single line again. Once you finish in the pencil, here I did a little peek. I can see I pressed hard. I'm going to do it again using a pen. I'm going to press as hard as I can as I go through. What does start to happen sometimes is it starts to tear your paper. That's okay. That means you're pressing super hard, which is what we want and what we need. So first it's with the pencil and then it's with the pen. Let's take a closer look on how I go over top of those lines. It is a back and forth motion to make sure it gets in those grooves. I am careful as I color in this space, going back and forth, back and forth. Make sure to press down hard as you do this. You can feel the foam as it pushes away. I did a little peek because mine is all done. Do not lift the top unless you are finished, because otherwise it might not go back in the same space. Here I can see where it tore that paper, but that's all right. The foam is what we want.